Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you how can you download or install app from Safari on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first I will firstly recommend you to use the App Store on your iPhone to download or install app on your iPhone. So as you can also go with the option Safari. So for that you'll have to just open the Safari. Alright, so after you open the Safari, you'll got such interface. So from your after you type or search some apps on your iPhone, you'll be able to see such interface. So from your after you tap on that app, you'll be directly redirect to the App Store. So I will want to recommend you to use the App Store from your iPhone. So simply open the App Store and from here you can easily search your desired or required app on your iPhone. So from there you can easily get that app on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.